stop, rest stop.
Take the long way home if it meant I'd go walking by your door. Together we could see where the road will lead to the unknown. There is no end if you believe. Just take my hand and come with me. Sun coming up, you make my world come alive. Can't get enough, you walking by my side. You are my sunshine.
Guys, we just arrived in Big Bear. We're waiting for the Airbnb owner to get here to let us in. We were staying right over here. Luckily, there's only us and Tiffany's parents, but luckily there's plenty of room for parking. Sorry if the diesel was loud.
You're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You are my sunshine. Oh, you're like the sun coming up. You make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You walking by my side. You are my sunshine. You are my sunshine.
Our news has been brought to you by Valley Electric Service.
Alright guys, just got to Big Bear, got unloaded, got the truck unpacked, got into the Airbnb, and now it's off to hit Gold Mountain. Just got to the trailhead, gonna air down. It's only a few miles long. We just wanted to do something short since today was a travel day. We got here, around noon and figured we could get a short trail in. All right, guys, we're at the first obstacle, the gatekeeper.
Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are, and I wouldn't change a thing. Under the moon, all the wishing that we did is coming true. Like I got magic up my sleeve, and you can't fight the moonlight when it's moving in, and the feeling you're giving me, I'm giving it. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the in me. We got it made. Fill the future up with flowers and champagne. We got the world beneath our feet, 'cause I have found that I am who I wanna be when you're around. You give me everything I need. And you can't fight the moonlight when it's moving in. And the feeling you're giving me, I'm giving it. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see that you bring out the best in me. You can't fight the moonlight, I think it's moving in. The feeling you're giving me, I'm giving it. You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see that you bring out the best in me. In me.
We just pulled up to, I think they call it the Boneyard or the graveyard or something, because all these rocks sound like you're running over bones. Pretty easy finish after the Boneyard through the rest of Gold Mountain Trail. We aired up and headed back to the Airbnb. Make sure you guys stay tuned for day 2, where we take the Jeeps through John Bull Trail.
You got me dancing with no shoes tonight.